Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic Tuesday so far. And if you're just waking up, guys, let's have a great Tuesday, right? That being said, let me come over here and invite everybody. Give me one minute. Turn on the air. It's pretty hot here, man. It's crazy how hot it can get without the AC. Thank God for AC, right? You're listening. And invite everybody. Invite everybody. Guys, guys, tap in. We're live, guys. We're live. Guys, tap in. We're live. Guys, tap in. We're live. Esto Louis V, no Levi's. Gosh, look at gold. All right, first things first is always a fundamental. God, I have this eye booger in my. I don't know why it's still here. I put a shower and everything, so. And I woke up about an hour ago, but I guess I'm not fully awake, right? All right, guys. Gold is trading right now, currently at 1826. Rejected. Wow, we tapped 1814 and rejected it. But guys, first things first, right? I always tell you guys, it's not about technicals, right? For the first few minutes of your charts, right? Let's go to the fundamentals. Fundamentals is where it's at. I know today we do have Jolt Job Openings. Currently, previous month we came out with the data at 8.83 million, and now we're forecasted at 8.81 million. Now, guys, keep in mind, right? Um, why is jobs opening important? Why should traders care about it, right? Well, there's various reasons to why traders should care about job openings, Jolt Job Openings, or job openings, however it says. It sounds like a riddle sometimes. Well, market sentiment, right? If the job openings of the data is considered to be a leading indicator of economic health and market sentiment, right? A high number of job openings suggests that there's a strong economy, right? That companies are making money, that consumers are spending money, and companies can afford to hire new employees, right? So those are positive market conditions, which can influence trading decisions when you're looking to short a pair against the U.S. dollar, or let's say the number is actually greater than forecasted, right? It would be positive for the US dollar. And lately, all this news has been seemed to be affecting the US dollar positively. So now you know not to go and short the US dollar, but to probably long the US dollar or short the quote pair against the US dollar, right? Um, like UJ, for instance, one of many pairs that you could short if this news gets released positively for the dollar. XAU USD, I'll probably be looking for shorts on XAU USD since if the report comes out strong for the US dollar. Another reason is economic outlook, right? Traders need to stay informed about all the overall state of the economy to protect potential changes in market dynamics, right? Whether It's shifting from shorts to longs bias, or shifting from a long to short bias, right? We must take all of this into consideration when it comes to determining the economic outlook, right? Job opening data also provide insights into unemployment trends. They provide labor market conditions, wage growth, all of that, which can play a crucial role in understanding the economy's direction, right? Because if job openings are opening up, right, and the wages are increasing, that means because there will be more consumers to spend, to invest into these companies, right, that are investing in employees. Also, I know that there are some industries that are sensitive to major changes, right? So all of this can impact it, like technology companies, right? May experience an increase in volatility, and based on the job opening data, could be new innovations, there could be talent shortages, and then traders who specialize in these industries can monitor these job openings to short emerging opportunities, right? Guys, give me one moment. Dímelo, Jose.
Me voy, jefe.
¿Te va?
Sí. Cuídese. ¿Cuándo viene?
No sé, este fin de semana, o el viernes, jueves, no sé.
Ay, 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 yo creo que se va a su país.
No, yo me quedo aquí largo.
Ah, la me va a quedar.
Sí,
Ah, ya, está bien.
ahí estamos viendo, José.
Ya, ya.
Estoy trabajando, no puedo hablar mucho.
Sí, está bien.
So yeah, guys, those are all risks, right? Sorry, guys. Those are all risks. Those are all things to take into consideration with these job reports, right? Also, there's the company performances, right? If there's job openings, more job openings, then that means company performance could be above average, or could be doing better than most recent before, right? They can provide an indication in a company's growth, and then traders can use this information or data to study specific companies or assets, right? To predict future revenue as well. Like if Apple decides that they're hiring more employees, we can probably expect more iPhones will be released, right? Or Tesla is hiring more employees, we can expect, or innovating into more tech that can make more cars, we can expect Tesla to produce more cars, right? So these positive job openings can signal an expanding business potentially, resulting in higher stock prices, which leads to the markets going up, right? Federal Reserve decisions, right? They closely monitor job openings as well as part of its assessment to economic conditions. So this report that's being released is very important. It has high impact on the markets. Now, it may not move the markets much, but it definitely does have high impacts on the market. If we go over here to the details, guys, you can also see here notes, right? It's released late but can impact the market because job openings are a leading indicating of overall employment. We also do have unemployment being released soon. I believe it is right here, unemployment claims. On Thursday we have unemployment claims, and then PMI tomorrow for Wednesday. But today, this is the only news that's being released at the moment. That being said, guys, let's take a look at FinViz. Let's take a look at our indices and our major pairs, see how they're doing. Okay, Dow currently down 0.22%, Nasdaq currently up almost 1%, and the S&P 500 currently up 0.01%. If we go take a look at our Forex-based pairs, little bit of indecision with some pairs. USD CAD bullish, USD CHF bullish, USD JPY bullish, GBP USD bearish, Euro USD indecisively bearish, NZD USD bearish. So the dollar is outperforming its other pairs, as you can see. Let's go take a look at investing.com real quick to take a look at our indices as well. And we have it correlating with FinViz. So far we have our news correlating with one another. We checked out our fundamentals. Now for the part that we've all been waiting for, chart time, right? Chart time. Let's go over here. Esto Louis vino Levi's.
We
Como
have it
capitán.
correlating with
All right, now. All right, now guys, let's. We do have the 4-hour closing in. We do have the 4-hour closing in 50 minutes. So I am seeing a breakout of this trend line, guys. So guys, I use my trend lines as, you know, it's sort of like the, how do you call it? When breakout starts to happen, it's that moment where I must act, right? Now, depending on how we're breaking out, right? So I want to see candle closures, you know, happen. We're gonna have to scale in down to get a precise entry, but off the 4-hour time frame, if we can reject this 120 area, right, or 123 area, and respect this current candle lows, we should be good. We could possibly catch a retracement, and I've been anticipating a retracement now. I don't want to continue to get you know, bit in my behind because of chasing the retracement, but we could expect something. We also have this trend line that we could retrace as well, along with the breakout on the trend line. Boom. Let's go to the 4-hour once again. Cuatro Rollies, 2 APs, Young Rich como Mbappé. No soy medallo, pero estoy blessed. Block 42 in, not this set. Okay, let's go to the 2-hour time frame now. It seems like we have this level of resistance right there that we could capitalize off of. And I'm just trying to find my levels of support and resistance, right? Levels where we're retracing. So we can set our TPs at those areas if we were to take buys, right? Whoa. I think I just learned something new though, guys. Alright. Alright. Now these buys look juicy. I have my no trade range right here, so I want to see breakout of that range, right? It is a 40 pip range. Now guys, I am waiting for you know, candle closure, 4-hour candle closure more importantly, right? So let's keep scaling down to the 1 hour to see if we can, everything seems to be correlating with one another. So far yes. Let's go down to the 30 minutes so we can see more data. Okay, my lines are adding up just fine. Maybe we could do some adjustment here. right, and 15-minute time frame. Saw something here, and then we could readjust this. Not too much, right around there. All right, so we're just ranging. There's not a lot of volume at the moment, so let's go take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we are seeing sell-off so far off the shorter time frames. Let's go to the higher time frames. All right, we rejected that 14,800 level, and now we're currently trading headed towards high time frame level of support. Now let's see what type of candle closure we get in the next 44 minutes, right? Well, let's start to scale down and plan out our trade. We have our ranges here, right? We have our range 1 being right here, and our range 2 down at the bottom. We have another range here. So this would be like our no trade range at the moment, but this no trade range is about 1,000 pips, so we could capitalize off of it off the shorter time frames on some scalps, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, and let's see if we can continue to trade and respect this level of resistance. We could take the sells and ride this sell-off to 14,675. If we do see breakout of that area of 14,675 and kind of closures underneath, we could see a nice high time frame move to the downside at 14,500. I am expecting sell-off on the markets for these next couple weeks, and maybe a month or two. We could expect a nice sell-off retracement to all the way to our daily levels of support, right? So 14,675, and if we break out above that, we could see breakout of 14,450 right around here. But first, we must see candle closures underneath, respect this trend that we're forming to the downside, right? We're fading to break lower high, higher highs, and we've only been downtrending. Now we do have let's see here. Let's remove this. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. We do have a bearish engulfing candle, so we are starting to pick some bearish volume. Let's see if we can close like that in the next 40 minutes, in the next 45 minutes. I did miss the breakouts already, so it's too late for me to enter NASDAQ. It's risky to get in at these levels right now where we're currently at. I would rather wait for candle closures at this moment. Let's go to DXY. The DXY is at 107, 165. We haven't traded around these levels since November of 2022. So it's been almost exactly a year ago since we traded around this level. We're also entering this daily, this level of consolidated, this level that's consolidated on the daily time frame. So this is pretty important, guys, to keep in mind. Right? Will we continue to respect this trend, or will we continue, or we start to, you know, wow, this is pretty incredible, to be honest with you. It's been a year since we've traded around those levels. So markets are strong right now, but the question is, how much higher can we go? You know, will we see 108? This, 108. Wow. This next 3 days will be very important to see where the US dollar is headed, guys. So keep in mind with these next few days on the type of news that's being released. Let's see, guys. Let's see what type of let's see where the DXY is headed, guys. In the next couple of days. This is why I tell you guys that in the next couple of days it might just be best to stay cash and not get in any positions whatsoever. You know, the more positions we get into, the more open we are to risking our capital, right? The more open we are to risk. So therefore, it's very important that we, observe the markets carefully, and we make great decisions based off analysis, right? And patience and candle closures. Let's go back to XAU/USD. Now that we know where we're seeing strong momentum on the US dollar as well, so it might be risky to buy gold, especially depending on the news that's coming out. We don't know where the news is. What type of news we're gonna see. So, but this is my no trade range. I will be a little more disciplined than what I was yesterday, and if I means missing out on a trade today, then I'll miss out on a trade today. But I'd rather come back strong with the win. Yesterday's trade was a loss, so today I want to win, and I will be observing carefully price. 38 minutes left for this candle closure, guys. Give me 1 minute. I will serve myself a glass of water. Guys, you gotta stay hydrated with these markets. If you're not hydrated, then you can't really you can't trade well. Cuatro errores, 2 happens, no ritmo, empate, buscaron ustedes, cuerpo y tú y 2 veces, y pierde. Robaron el D5, esto le vino Levi's. This is water, guys. So what we like to do over here, put some recycled wine, empty it out completely, clean it out, and then we put some cold water, put it in the fridge, and put it as a backup. Reserved water, but the reserved water is better than the primary water because the primary water is room temperature. So you should drink room temperature water, but I'm thirsty right now. I want something cold. I want to drink a nice cold glass of water. So Amazing. So guys, let's see what price decides to do. You know, if we see this rejection that we're currently seeing, we could catch some sells down here at the bottom at 123. Yesterday I got destroyed with sells. Tell me how it hits my stop loss first and then it hits my take profit, man. I was one 30-minute candle closure too early and two 15-minute candle closures too early. Unbelievable. That's how the game goes, guys. Mm, 35 minutes left for that 4-hour candle closure. It's just patience, guys. Patience. Don't reach como Mbappe. It's gonna no checks. Guys, I'm feeling jolly today. You know me, when I feel jolly, I catch trades. I catch these dubs. Silly me. I don't know, guys. I woke up with a little extra chip on my shoulder, feeling jolly, feeling great. And what can you do while you wait for candle closures, right? We've already gone over the fundamentals. Let's actually go over. I want to say something. When you look at the graph on the job openings, let's expand this as much as we can to 2008. 2008, we were right around. Wow. So, let me see. Number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry, greater than forecast is good for currency. So we were at 8.83. We're forecasting 8.81. Something tells me this is going to be above the forecast, right? But wow, look how many job openings we had. $2021, guys. I want now, guys. This goes to show something, right? And this is incredible to me because I'm a young guy. You know, not too long ago I was in college and high school and I was looking for jobs. But something that has stuck with me throughout the years when I would look for jobs, right? When I used to work 9 to 5s, is I would sometimes think it was so easy to find a job. Like, to me, it was never hard to find a job, right? But keep in mind, we live in a time where we probably have a friend or two friends or a couple people that we know that complain about how hard it is to find a job. Look how many job openings there are. At some point in 2022, there was more than 11 million job openings. Now there's currently more than 8 million job openings. So what does this tell you guys? If there's a lot of job openings, guys, go and get that job that you want, right? There's a lot of people not working because they're not getting paid what they want to get paid, you know. Now, obviously, now let's take a look at something else, right? Over here we have May 2023 was at 9. What was the last one? 8.83. So when it goes Okay, so if it's below the forecasted, it's bad for the currency, of course, right? So the less job openings, the more unemployment claims there are. The more job openings, the less unemployment claims there will be, right? Because if employees aren't hiring, then people will file for unemployment. And if employers are hiring, people won't file for unemployment. But guys, so take advantage of the fact that there's a lot of job openings now. Before there won't be job openings, right? Let's see. COVID was 2020, right? What year was COVID? COVID was 2019, 2020. COVID, yeah, 19. Wow, it's been 5 years since COVID. And this was COVID, guys. Look at the job openings, how they just diminished. They went down. After COVID, they just went up. So we could expect a retest, right, off this graph. Maybe we could see 7.5 million. That's crazy, guys. COVID was, we're currently in 2023, right? COVID was, wow. It was 2 years ago. 4 years ago almost. Gold is still in that range. Alright, so I feel like putting, I don't know why, but I feel like putting a dot. Something spooky on my charts, guys. It's Halloween. It's Halloween month. Copy. Let's paste them right here. Can we paste them? Allow. Paste. Ah, damn. It's not letting me paste them. What if we do this? No, it doesn't let you put images. Or at least I don't know how to, but fuck it. I just feel like putting a little spooky something, you know? Get the Halloween spirit going. Alright guys, we're starting to see gold currently possibly wick filled this previous 1 hour candle, but there's still 27 minutes left for the 4 hour candle closure. So I like the rejections that we're seeing off of this level, minor level resistance, 1827. So let's see if we could possibly see breakout underneath 123. I want to see where this candle closure leads us to, right? Waiting for candle closure, guys. Esto Louis V, no Levi's. We could see. I am expecting candle closure on. If I can get a candle closure underneath the range, that'd be great. That'd be a nice indication for some possible sells. Patience, though, patience. I'm not gonna get in out of impulse. I will be waiting. Why are small dogs so silly? I ain't from a dial, but I am blessed. Alright guys, I gotta start traveling soon, so I will send the trade on the trade ideas. So stay tuned for that, guys. Um, under signals actually, not trade ideas. So stay tuned for that, guys. Those that pulled up, thank you for putting up. Today was a short session. I just wanted to go over fundamentally what was the Jolt Job Openings, and also wanted to say what's up to you guys. I will be traveling. I have to go back to the city. I won't be at the ranch anymore, so I have to start heading out now. So, alright, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me, and hope you guys have a great trading day, guys. Peace out.